Hi, my name is PV. Today I am going for the next lead code problem is a monotonic array. So the array which either is a decreasing order or either increasing order or it's a constant. It's called a monotonic array. So array is a monotonic increasing order or monotonic decreasing order. Return true if only a given array is a monotonic. So let's do this problem. Let's solve this problem using Python, and so let's start that one. So, okay, so let's go to this problem. Okay, so these are the input we are going to check here. So increasing order. So what I'm going to do here, if the length of array, so first check the worst case scenario. If length of array is greater than or less than equal to 1, right, return true. Okay, so now the check for the other cases. So what I do here, I assign two variables: increase inc order equal to none, okay, and dc order equal to none, okay. So now what we are going to do, I assign increasing. So whether the list contain increasing or decreasing order. If increasing and decreasing both, then we will return true. Otherwise, return false. Sorry. Otherwise, true. So how do we do for for I in range? So we will start from 1, and the length would be a. Okay. So now we have increasing order, decreasing order. So let's check first if array a of, right. So a of I, the second array is uh, greater than to first array, right? So it means it's increasing order. So what we do, increasing order equal to true. Okay, if this is not there, then we will check elif same reverse condition. Okay, so a of I, a of minus decreasing, so decreasing order equal to true. Okay, so if increasing order and decreasing order both increasing return false, right? So this is how either return true. Okay, let's check this example. So if you see here, this is false. Okay, let's check this example, the first. Okay, so 1 2 3 3 2 3 3, so it should be true. So it's the true. Then now the next check 6 5 4 4, this should be also true. It's a true. So now the next check for the 1 1 1 1, this should be true. True. Let's check the last false example. Yeah, so this is false. Okay, so this is how just simple. We use two indicator and run through the loops, and each time we checks whether it's a array containing the increasing or decreasing order.